This house is for sale, and they broke a key in the lock, so a realtor buddy of mine called me. Oh. I guess that's all that needed to be done, and I'm gonna copy that. Well, I'm trying to read this key, but of course they're in between cuts. And we'll try it. We got 2, in between 2 and 3. I think that first one's actually a 1. That's probably why the key broke. Let's see. I don't know if this key will work or not. Nope. It doesn't work. It does work here. So now what do we do? Take this lock off the door and rekey it, maybe? Maybe that's why the key broke. Not really know. The only one I think might be wrong is that first cut. Nope, everything's dead on. So, let's take that lock off the door, just rekey it to match. All right, so we're gonna go in through here. I wonder if there's other doors on this house. Make sure that's locked. This house is on the market, guys. I don't know the listing price, but it's gonna be open house tomorrow morning. Pretty nice in here. Anyway, I'm gonna pull this lock off, key it to my new key. Should work fine after that. Luckily we had that other door. Pulling my cylinder out. So key it up. All right, so to rekey this one, just gonna have one of these little fun devices. Drop your cylinder in, turn it all the way around, poke the hole, hear it click, new key in, and that's it, it's done. So this key will work now, as long as the cylinder is not broken. Yeah, that works fine. All right, we'll cut them a spare, put this lock back on, we're all done. All right, we got our cylinder, let's put it back in. Clip that goes in the back. And that's it. All right, that's all done. Gotta find the lock box somewhere. Usually on a hose. Yep, there it is. Okay.